Sent by the company, here's a look into how this scrubber performs. This spin scrubber is designed for versatility and ease. It's also transforming cleaning routines everywhere, and it's packed with features that make cleaning faster and easier. It comes with 7 brush heads for different surfaces and tasks, and an adjustable telescopic handle for easy reach and powerful speeds that take the hard work out of scrubbing. Each brush has its own specialty and are designed to clean your home from top to bottom. This scrubber runs up to 90 minutes on a 3-hour full charge. It also has a Type-C charging port that makes it convenient and fast, and it has an IPX5 waterproof rating, meaning it's safe for wet areas without any risk of water damage. One of the best parts is its adjustable design. You can actually extend the handle to reach high or low areas without bending or straining, and it's also lightweight and easy to maneuver.